but who can play peekaboo on the elf on you? On the la. A chorus for us. Hello, Mrs. Billingsley. Hi.
Why, it's Samuel, Muffin and...
Rudy.
Yes, Rudy.
What are all the posters for?
Posters? Oh, tonight I am performing with my bird chorus.
Chorus?
Yes, a chorus is a group of birds who sing together.
La ha ha ha. You've still got it, Mrs. Billingsley.
Thank you.
We'd like to sing too. Muffin sing. Do the muffin. The muffin. Shake, shake the muffin. Ah, ah, ooh. Da, 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 muffin.
Oh, how wonderful.
Wait till you see this. Boom, wiki, 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 wiki. Boom, boom, wiki, 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 wiki. Boom, boom, wiki, wiki, boom, wiki, wiki, boom, boom, boom. And a wiki, wiki, boom.
Charming.
Go on, Samuel. Your turn. Well, all right. If you're looking for a branch with lots of houses, where you can wear a pair of fancy trousers, forget about all the rest. Third and bird's the best. Yes, third and bird's the best branch around. Bravo, Sammy. Nice trousers.
You're all marvellous. You must sing a song tonight after my bird chorus.
Really?
The whole town will love you.
The whole town?
Why, yes. There's a show tonight.
And the whole town will be there? You'll be all right.
You three should sing a song.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?